Hello, first graders. All right, we're going to do Foundations Week 1, Day 1. We're going to start with warming up with our letters. Here we go. Apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun. G, game, G. H, hat. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite. L, lamp, O. M, man, N, nut, O, octopus, ah. P, pan, Q, queen, qua. R, rat, S, snake. T, top. U, up, V, van, W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. WH, whistle, w. TH, thumb. CK, sock. All right, good job, first grade. All right, we're going to go and talk about some more tricky sounds. I want to see if you guys can do it. Are you ready? All right. So what is a letter? The key word in the sound. Let's see if you remember this one. Ooh, that's right. CH, chin, ch. Okay, let's practice this one. Your turn. I, itch, I. Good job. Ooh, this diagram. TH, thumb. How about this one? H, hat. Ooh, this diagram. CK, sock. And this is a vowel. U, up, Ooh, how about this one? SH, ship, sh. This one. X, fox, ps. Ooh, this is another vowel. O, octopus, ah. Okay, how about this one? R, rat, A, apple, A. WH, whistle, W. E, ed, E. That's another vowel. K, kite, K. All right, guys, we're going to talk about our bonus letters. When three letters like this word, mess, it needs another S. So it needs two S's. This is called a bonus letter. Even though there's two S's, there's only one sound. Okay? So you add an extra F, L, or S when it follows a short vowel at the end of the word. So we put a star, that's how we mark it, we put a star on the bonus letter. Okay? So this word, let's try this word together. Mess. So let's check, is the E a short vowel? Good job. Is it at the end of a word? That's right. All right, let's try this one. Ah. Oh, it's after a short vowel. Ah. We have to put a star above it because it is a bonus letter. Okay, let's do this one. This one we have a digraph. Okay, remember a digraph is one sound. Sh, I, O. Okay, does it come after a short vowel? I. That's right. It is a bonus letter. We're going to mark it with a star. All right, let's try this one. S, ah, s, toss. Okay, let's check the rule. Does it come after a short vowel? Ah, that's right. So we put another S at the end and has a star above it. Remember, the bonus letters are F, L, and S, and they have to come after a short vowel. All right, let's look at these words. Let's see if these are. Yes, ya, S. There's some exceptions to this rule. Okay? Is a short E, but we do not add an S at the end. There's a couple exceptions. And in bus, us, that's a short vowel, but we do not add an S at the end. Okay, there's some exceptions to the rules. All right, let's tap these words out. Everybody get your tappers ready. Let's warm them up. Here we go. Okay, let's do this one. Remember, the digraph's one sound. Sh, I, ship. Okay, remember, it's not two, it's just one. SH is one. Ready? Sh, I, ship. All right, let's build some words. Are you ready? Okay, this is the word I have. This is the word you have. Here we go. Miss. Miss. And that is a bonus letter. So how would I mark that? With a circle above it? No. With a square above it? No. How about with a star above it? That's right. All right, let's build some more. Okay, let's do this one. Fill. Okay, pause the video and tell your parent or who you're with why there's a star above it. That's right, it's because it's a bonus letter. All right, let's read this word. Let's tap it out. Lash. Okay, pause the video and tell whoever you're with why the SH is underlined. That's right, because it's a digraph. That's how you mark the digraph. All right, let's read this word. Cup. Okay, pause the video. How do we mark this word? That's right, it has a star above it because it's a bonus letter. Okay, let's do this one. Kiss. How do we mark this one? That's right, we put a star above the bonus letter. Okay, last word. Pick. How do we mark this word? That's right, we underline the CK because it's a digraph. All right, guys. Now your turn. I'm going to have you build some words. All right. We have down here, we have our stars. So you guys are going to get a whiteboard or a piece of paper or pencil to make your words, okay? All right, I want you guys to work the word bull. Bull, let's tap it out. Bu-ul-ul. Okay, I want you to do it. Pause the video. All right, let's check it. Here we go. B. Oh, there's the U. Oh. Let's see, do I need one L or do I need two L's? Does it have a short vowel? It does, so I need two L's. So I'm going to take this L and that L, and I'm going to put the star at the end because that is how I mark it. Very good. Let's tap it out. Bu-ul-ul. Bull. Okay. Here we go. We're going to move these out of the way. We're going to do one more. Are you ready? Let's do buff. Buff. Okay, you tap it out. Ready? Buff. Buff. Okay, pause the video and you write it on your whiteboard or your piece of paper and mark it. All right, let's check it. B. D. Okay, it's a short vowel. Do I need? And then I do the 7F, so that is a bonus letter. Now, do I need two F's or do I need one F? Okay, well, we need two. So I'm going to take this F first. And then I'm going to take my other F with the star on it because that is how we mark the bonus letter. So we have B. Okay, you guys did a good job. Give yourselves a pat on the back.